5 for families. There are 5 things that you can do starting today to protect your family and your kids as they head back to school. I'm Amy Rafeka, Managing Partner and Founder of Atlanta Wills and Trust Law Group, where we help you protect who you love the most. And I know that some of those who you love the most are your kids, and they're heading back to school. And whether they start today, whether they start in a week, or whether they start in 3 weeks, you can take a step today to protect them so that they're safer when they head back to school. So in this episode of 5 for Families, we're going to talk about the first step that you can do today to protect your children. I'm Amy Rafeka, Managing Partner and Founder of Atlanta Wills and Trust Law Group, and we help women protect who they love the most. Our 5 for Families series is really dedicated to helping moms and dads protect their kids as they head back to school. We're getting ready, we're filling the school supplies lists, we're getting them new tennis shoes, new jeans, new backpacks, new everything that we can imagine. But are we taking all the steps that we can to protect our family? We're going to talk the first step. The very first step that we're going to share with you is nominating someone to care for your children if you can't. Now, this may seem kind of odd, and actually, as a mom, it really goes against everything in me to say someone else is going to care for my children and I am not going to care for my children. But guess what? Things happen, accidents happen, and whether that means you just temporarily can't take care of your children or permanently can't take care of your children, it's really important that you, as a mom, as a dad, name that person who is going to be taking care of your children. Hi, Anne. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you, Paul. And thank you, Krista. Thank you for joining us on Monday morning. I don't know if your kids are heading off to school this morning, or maybe it's going to be next week or in a few weeks. But I'm sure you'll agree that it's really important that your choice as a parent is heard if you cannot pick up your children. So here at Atlanta Wills and Trust Law Group, we've created a worksheet to help you walk through that difficult decision of who is the best person to choose if you cannot take care of your children. We call it a nomination of guardianship worksheet, and we'll share it with you free. If you'd like it, just reach out to us at team@RefekaLaw, that's R-E-F as in Frank, ECALAW.com, and we'd love to send that to you. Hi, Monica. One of the things that we wanted to talk about is what are you going to do with this form? So we'll send you the form. You walk through the form, and now you have a name of a person who can help take care of your children, even if it's just temporarily. If you can't get to school, well, talk to that person. Hi, Miriam. Talk to that person about the fact that you've named them. In fact, I would recommend that you talk to them about how they feel about being named as a guardian for your child if you cannot take care of your child, even if it is for a temporary time. So talk to that person, share with them the worksheet, and share with them the reasons why you've chosen them. So say, for example, you have a sister, and she's married, and she has her own children also, and she lives about an hour away. And after you go through this worksheet, you realize that it's your sister's family that you really want your children to be with if you can't take care of them. Show her the worksheet. Show her the reasons why you've chosen her family. Perhaps it's because they share the same religious values as your family. Perhaps it's because they love to do the same things on the weekends as your family loves to do. Say that's be outside and enjoy the outdoors. Or say it's going to movies like my family loves to do. But share with your sister the reasons that you've chosen her to take care of your children. Now tomorrow, we're going to talk about what your sister would need to do if something happened to you, and the steps that you can take immediately to ensure that your sister and your children feel absolutely no disruption whatsoever if you're in an accident, you're injured, or even worse, you've been killed. My name is Amy Rafeka. I am managing partner and founder of Atlanta Wills and Trust Law Group. We help you protect who you love the most, and we'd love to send you that nomination of guardianship form. Reach out to our team at team@refecalaw.com. That's refecalaw.com, not that I need to teach you how to spell that one. And we'd love to share that form to you. You can also reach out to us at 770-508-6525. We're here in the North Metro Atlanta area, and we help women protect who they love the most all across the state of Georgia. Thank you so much for everyone who has joined me today, and watch those kiddos who are on the street today. Here in our area, we have a ton of schools starting back to school today. I know it's crazy. I know it's early. It's July. But they're back in school, and we have a ton of schools that'll be starting next week as well. Thank you for joining us for the first episode of 5 for Families. This is Amy Refecca signing off.